Alright, let's see if we can get in. So, if you are on a trip, you have 1 week here. Highly recommend Genie Plus. We're in the line for Hollywood Tower Terror. That being said, not my favorite ride, but my wife wants to see me ride this, and she booked it. It's been there for quite some time. I think housekeeping needs to come clean the lobby. I mean, look at that.
In just a few moments, the library doors in front of you will be opening. Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening toward you. Thank you.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Folks, your rooms are now ready, and good luck, because you're gonna need it.
Well, all right, we're in the basement. One.
You'll be row 3.
Thank you.
Not just him.
Oh, just me?
Yep. My friends over here, you're gonna go to 3. Oh. Like, you need to Jason, go right there. Welcome everyone to the Hollywood Tower Hotel. Once you are seated, stow all your luggage on the floor by your feet. Buckle your seatbelts from left to right and left to right only. Make sure there's nothing between you or your seatbelts, so no fanny packs or clutches, please. And hold on to all personal belongings very, very tight. Mysterious voice.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you.
Row 5, top right.
Estimados huéspedes.
Oh boy.
That's why
All right. It's only got about 1/4 of an inch.
The yellow strap. Having yellow strap. Thank you. One last step, everyone. Bring your arms up. Everyone's arms up. Woo-hoo! Keep them up if you like. Enjoy your stay.
Not funny.
Go.
You are the passengers in the 19th common elevator about to ascend into your very own mystery, the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door. That door is opening once again. This time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
We're going down.
The warm up comes back will take you from magic. Something you won't find in any dark. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel is the attracting point.
Oh, I'm sorry. I bumped you.
Ethan, was that fun?
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you so much for staying at the Hollywood Tower Hotel. You enjoyed it? Good, I'm glad.
Thanks. You too.